Myself Anand. In today's class, we'll discuss about comparator. A comparator is a device which compares a signal voltage with a reference voltage. In simple words, an op-amp comparator is an open loop op-amp. The reference voltage is applied to one of its input terminal and the signal is to be compared is applied to the other input terminal. Depending upon which of the voltage is greater, the output voltage is held at positive or negative saturation voltage. It may be seen that the comparator has two analog two analogs, input and a digital output. Therefore, it can be considered as analog to digital converter. A basic non-inverting comparator circuit using op-amp is shown here in this figure, and this is called a non-inverting comparator because the input voltage is applied to the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp, and hence it is called as a non-inverting comparator. So we are going to observe some of the thing here and how our comparator will works. So for this working of the comparator, a time varying signal Vin is applied to the non-inverting terminal. Okay, a time varying signal Vin is applied to the non-inverting terminal through a resistor R, and a reference voltage V reference of 1 volt is applied to the inverting terminal through resistor R1. Right? So when input voltage is less than the reference voltage, so whenever our input voltage is the given input voltage is less than the reference voltage, that is, if we will take a 1 volt as our reference, this is our 1 volt reference, then when our input voltage is less than this reference voltage, then you can say the voltage at the inverting terminal is greater than the voltage at the non-inverting terminal. Okay, the voltage at the inverting terminal is greater, this voltage is greater than the non-inverting terminal, and hence our output voltage V0 is our V0 is approximately equal to VE, or V0 will be in minus V saturation. Therefore, that is our output will be at minus V saturation. Okay, V saturation, minus V saturation at this point. Suppose when our input voltage, when our input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, this is our reference voltage 1 volt. Whenever our input voltage is greater than this voltage V reference voltage, the voltage at the non-inverting terminal at the time, the voltage at that non-inverting terminal, that is this voltage, the voltage at the non-inverting terminal is greater than the voltage at the inverting terminal. Okay, when our input voltage is greater than the V reference, the voltage at the non-inverting terminal is greater than the voltage at the inverting terminal, and hence our output voltage, that is V0, the output voltage will become is equal to minus plus V saturation, or it will switches from minus V saturation to plus V saturation, right? And it is approximately is equal to the value of VCC. Okay, therefore whenever our input voltage crosses the V reference voltage, okay, therefore our input voltage whenever it crosses the reference voltage, V reference voltage, the voltage changes, that is the output voltage changes instantaneously from one saturation level to other saturation level, like this. Okay, and that is from, you can say, minus VCC or plus VCC to minus VE, or minus VE to plus VCC. Okay, the waveforms are shown here in this figure. Okay, for a sinusoidal input, and the output is observed in the form of square wave, that is in the form of square wave extending from plus V saturation to minus V saturation as shown in our figure. Okay, so these are the cases for our non-inverting terminal, how our comparator is going to work, and observe some of the facts in our circuit. That is, here two diodes are provided. These diode D1 and D2 operate like a clamping circuit. Okay, they will operate as clamping circuit as they clamp the difference input voltage. Okay, they will clamp the difference input voltage plus 0.7 or minus 0.7 volt and protect against excessive input voltage. These two diodes will protect against excessive input voltages, and the resistor R which has been put here, this will limit the current through the diodes when whereas the R1 or this ROM resistor is used for offset compensation. Okay, this is regarding the circuit. And suppose this is the first case what we have studied, when the reference voltage is plus 1 volt. Similarly, when the reference voltage is minus 1 volt and then, or you can say, if the reference voltage is negative with respect to ground, reference voltage is negative with respect to ground, with a sinusoidal applied to the our plus input, with a sinusoidal voltage is applied to the our non-inverting terminal, the output will be as shown in figure B. When our input, that is input, is greater than V reference, then when our input is greater than V reference, that is plus V saturation is going to take place, right? On the other hand, when our input voltage is less than V reference, then the output voltage is at minus V saturation. Therefore, it switches from plus V saturation to minus V saturation, and this once again repeats itself for positive positive reference as well as the negative reference. In this way, we can compare the signals by applying the two inputs, that is one signal input and another reference input. So this is regarding comparator. And now non-inverting comparator. Similarly, we can study for inverting comparator. So just now look here, this figure shows inverting comparator. An inverting comparator in which the reference voltage is applied to the which terminal now? It is applied to the reference voltage is applied to the plus terminal, right? Our reference voltage is applied to the plus terminal. Okay, in this circuit, this V reference is obtained. Okay, this V reference is obtained for inverting comparator. This V reference is obtained by using a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. Okay, and especially this 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, 10 kilometer potentiometer forms a voltage divider with a DC supply voltages like VCC and minus VE. And as the wiper is connected to the plus terminal, and as the wiper is moved towards minus VE, this wiper is moved towards minus VE, then you can say V reference becomes more negative. Okay, it means that you are going to get the V reference becomes more negative. Similarly, if it is moved towards the plus VCC, your wiper is moved towards the plus VCC, then V reference becomes more positive. Thus, V reference of a desired amplitude and polarity can be obtained by adjusting our 10 kilo ohm potentiometer as shown in the figure. Okay, and now similarly, with the help of the reference voltage, we can observe the outputs, that is which is complementary of the our non-inverting amplifier. That is is just opposite to the non-inverting amplifier, we are going to get the waveforms. Okay, this is regarding inverting comparator. Now next, after this we will see another subtopic, zero crossing detector. So this is nothing but an application of comparator. The zero crossing detector, or you can say it is application of a comparator. It will make, or you can say, sine wave to square wave generator. It is also called as sine wave to square wave generator. The basic comparator can be used as zero crossing detector. Okay, the basic comparator can also used as zero crossing detector. Here our V reference voltage is set to 0. V reference voltage is set to 0. Okay, our reference voltage, that is V reference voltage, is set to 0 for the zero crossing detector. Now the output voltage is V0 is shown in the figure when and in what direction an input signal Vin crosses 0 volt. Okay, this is the our output voltage shows when and in what direction an input signal Vin crosses 0 volt. That is, or you can say, when the input signal Vin passes through 0. Okay, so in the positive direction, when our Vin input signal passes through 0 in the positive direction, this direction. So when the output V0 is crosses 0 volts, or you can say when the input signal Vin passes through 0 in the positive direction, this is our positive direction, what is going to happen? The output V0 is driven into negative saturation. Okay, the output V0 is driven to negative direction, into the negative saturation. Conversely, while Vin passes, this input voltage passes the through 0 in the negative direction. In this negative direction, the output V0 switches and saturate positively, and it will saturate positively, and it repeats. Okay, and in this way we can study the zero crossing detector. Here also the clamping or protective clamping diodes and protective diodes are provided, and some load resistance is given across the output. In this way we can study zero crossing detector. And for today's class, that's all, and we will study schematic trigger in the next class.